Hey, good morning here from Eastern North Carolina. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I got a windy morning here. I hope y'all can hear me okay. I'll try to talk loud, but I'm going to take a minute to do a walkthrough on this Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. This is the most well-equipped 250 Outrage that we've ever seen that's come across and been a part of our area. I'll just kind of run through some of those features quickly with you as I'm doing the walkthrough. First of all, you've got this stainless bow rail, which really adds some safety and security up here. The boat does have the bow table that's stored down in the console at this time. I did take photos of it up. Got a couple rod holders up here. Those are actually bases for mounting the bow sunshade, which would attach to the hardtop and then fasten to your poles here. Stainless steel anchor, just nice, shiny, easy to maintain system there. Anchor windlass with a remote in the box, and it's controlled at the helm. This bow seat does have a cover that goes over top of it, and flip down armrest and great storage below. Got a in-deck storage there. Coming around up on the hardtop, you got a Raymarine dome, radar, Flir camera. That mount does fold down if you are restricted by height in your slip or something like that. Nice powder coated support for the hardtop, radial outriggers, storage underneath. Got an electronics box on this boat. Raymarine VHF radio, does have the remote here and is corded. Coming up to the helm, I've got the chart plotter pulled up. I've got the Flir camera screen pulled up. I've got autopilot here in the center. Mercury vessel view. Check this out, guys. This is the only 25-foot whaler that we've seen that we know of that actually has joystick. It's got the Optimus 360, so that's going to give you your joystick piloting into and away from the dock. There's your controls for that. Also, first that I'm aware of, the 25 Outrage is the Seakeeper Ride. So that's going to give you instantaneous control or inputs into the boat as you're going over swell and wake. Smooths out the ride. The owner of the boat is absolutely in love with it. Does have the Mercury active trim as well. As I mentioned to you, I have not seen a boat, a 25 Outrage, with all these features. It is absolutely loaded. It's got wing curtains on it. Go up, slide into this track. They are new. Also has an aft sunshade that would attach here and over here on the hardtop. Go back to these rod holders. There's poles that go in there and would make this area shady. Live well here. Boat is in absolute immaculate condition. 30 hours, twin Mercury 225 horsepower engines. Open this real quick for you. It's just clean as a whistle. I have not flipped a switch on this boat and something not work. From the vacuum flush head to the lights. It is in operation and ready to roll. Coming up, got flip down bolsters here. Upgraded sound system, so you've got 2 speakers there, including a sub, 2 in the aft corners, and then also 2 up front here. Taking a peek down in the console, vacuum flush head. It's the best that you can get in the system. There's your fusion head remote. Also has the head unit. There's a remote at the helm, and then there's also a remote if you're up here at the bow entertaining, and those work as they should. Great storage in the console. Got 2 large in-deck fish boxes here on either side. Those are macerated for overboard discharge. I'm thinking about maceration. The head does have a pump out, and it also has overboard discharge. Freshwater wash down, raw water wash down there. Coming back up to the port side, I've got my microfiber towel picking up here, but cushions are in great shape. This boat stays inside. When it's not being used, it stays inside of that barn there, and it is clean. It shows very, very well. And again, I can't say it enough. It is absolutely loaded. I've never seen a 250 Outrage with with all these options. I love the 225 Mercuries. If I was putting a motor on my boat today, that is the motor that I would put on it, and they're just awesome engines. Coupled with the Joystick, that makes docking a dream, and then the Seakeeper Ride when you're underway is going to be phenomenal. Guys, this is a great boat. Give us a call. Best way to reach us is directly on my cell, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. It's Andy Farmer, 910-264-4818. Call us with your questions. Let us know how we can help. Thanks for taking the time to check out this awesome outrage. Talk to you soon.